NBIS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Nebius Group, or whatever the pronunciation is, I actually quite like the increases in price here, because I was looking to double down on it, you know, although it's like a supply zone technically, even like I got like a break even on the sell side beforehand. Let's check. Right, that was a break even 3 months ago. Haven't made a videos this much on it, you know, then I kind of abandoned it, and I'm aware it's pumping inside a supply zone, but because I do think there's still some juice in it, the only thing that will make me buy is a proper double break confirmation. If I do not see any sort of shift like this, then me buying randomly, it's not going to be happening. All I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting for my rules to be met. And if you, I do have previous receipts in the Discord, you got no sweat there. There's a lot. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free notes.